Today we will going to discuss a common topic, that is common human diseases. World Health Organization, that is WHO, defined health as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease. And disease is defined as any condition which interferes with the normal functioning of the body and adversely affect the well-being and health of an individual is called disease. Traditionally, disease is classified into congenital disease and acquired disease. Congenital disease are hereditary disease, inherited disease which is present since birth. It is hereditary. There is no specific cure for this disease and it is mainly prevented by genetic counseling of the parents. And acquired disease generally acquired during the lifetime, actually after birth. Acquired disease is divided into two types. One is communicable disease, another one is non-communicable disease. Communicable disease are infectious. They are transmitted from person to person. That is, they are spread from infected individual to healthy individual. The common example of these communicable disease are bacterial disease, viral disease, protozoan disease, fungal disease and helminthes disease. And non-communicable are non-infectious. They cannot transmit it. Their presence, they are not transmitted. And the common example of non-communicable disease are degenerative disease like heart attack, brain disease like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, etc. Allergic condition, deficiency disease like protein deficiency disease, marasmus, kwashiorkor, and cancer. Most important example is cancer. Okay. Now we will discuss various kind of bacterial disease, which is very important for all the exam. Before going to bacterial disease, we need to know what is pathogen. Pathogens are any kind of agent that causes disease. It may be fungus, virus, bacteria, protozoa. It may be any kind of organism that causes human disease. Okay, so first bacterial disease is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis caused by bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This bacteria commonly affect lungs. Symptoms include high fever, cough, cold, etc. Its vaccine is BCG, that is Bacillus calmette guerin. Next bacterial disease is diphtheria. Its causative agent is Corynebacterium diphtheriae. It's generally block respiratory tract. Its common symptoms is it create difficulty in breathing, and the vaccine is DPT vaccine. Next example of bacterial disease is whooping cough. It is caused by Bordetella pertussis. Its symptoms is mild fever, irritating cough, and vaccine is DPT. Then next bacterial disease is cholera. Its causative agent is Vibrio cholerae. It is transmitted through contaminated food and water. It affects small intestine. Its symptoms include vomiting, diarrhea and dehydration. Next one is leprosy. Leprosy, also known as Hansen disease. Its causative agent, that is bacteria, is Mycobacterium leprae. It affects skin and other tissue including nerve. Its symptoms are ulcer, nodules, scaly scab, deformities of fingers, toes and wasting of body parts. It's transmitted through close contact with patient. Next one is tetanus. Its causative agent is Clostridium tetani. Symptoms is painful contraction of muscle, paralysis of CNS, and actually the bacteria enter into the body, in this case through injury surface. Then pneumonia. Pneumonia caused by bacterium Streptococcus pneumoniae. Its symptoms are inflammation of lungs, cough, chest pain, high fever, etc. Then next bacterial disease is typhoid. Typhoid caused by Salmonella typhi, and it is spread through contaminated food, milk, water. It is a waterborne disease, and its symptoms include high fever, headache, diarrhea, ulcer in intestine, etc. Next one is plague. Plague is a bacterial disease. It's primarily a disease of rat. Its causative agents is Yersinia pestis. It is 3 types: bubonic plague, pneumonic plague, septicemic plague. Bubonic plague is a blood disorder. Its symptoms include high fever, weakness, enlargement of lymph nodes. It is causes black death. Next one is pneumonic plague. It causes hemorrhage of bronchi and lungs. That is, the air passes sometimes affected by this disease. Next one is septicemic plague. Causes anemia, fever, chill, etc., leading to death within 2 days. Next one is anthrax. Its causative agent is Bacillus anthracis, transmitted by direct contact or by eating raw or undercooked meat from infected animal. It is a soil-borne disease. Louis Pasteur, who was a scientist, first developed its vaccine in 1881. Next one is gonorrhea disease. It is a sexually transmitted disease. It is a bacterial disease. Its causative agent bacteria is Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Next one is syphilis. Syphilis caused by Treponema pallidum. It is also a sexually transmitted disease. These all are very important questions of bacterial disease. It is important for all the competitive exam, NET, NEET, GATE, and +2, +3, all the exams. So we need to remember especially causative agent name and bacterial disease. Thank you for watching.